What if everything you were taught about money is wrong? You were told to study hard, get a good job, earn a high salary, and everything will be fine, right? Wrong. Because here's the hard truth no one tells you. Your salary alone will never make you rich. And in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why and what actually will. Picture this. A person wakes up Monday morning. They drag themselves to work. They work 9 hours. They come home tired. They do it again Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and at the end of the month, their paycheck hits the bank. They pay rent. They pay bills. They buy groceries. Maybe they eat out once or twice. And then, just like that, the money is gone. Sound familiar? Because this is millions of people's reality. They work harder. They get a raise. They celebrate. And then they upgrade their apartment, their car, their lifestyle. And they end up just as broke as before, just with nicer things. This is called the salary trap. And today, we're going to break out of it. First, let's understand what a salary actually is. A salary is trading your time for money. You give 8 hours. They give you a check. Simple. But here's the problem. You only have 24 hours in a day. You can't work 30 hours. You can't clone yourself. So your salary has a ceiling, a hard limit. Wealthy people don't just earn money. They own things that earn for them. They own stocks. They own real estate. They own businesses. These things make money while they sleep, while they travel, while they rest. That's called passive income, and it has no ceiling. Second, understand the wealth mindset shift. Poor mindset says, how do I earn more this month? Wealthy mindset says, how do I build something that earns without me? See the difference? One trades time for money, the other builds systems. Start thinking like an owner, not just an employee. Third, stop upgrading your life every time you earn more. This is called lifestyle inflation, and it quietly kills wealth. You get a raise. You get a better car, a bigger apartment, more subscriptions. Your income went up. Your expenses went up too. Gap? Zero. Wealth is built in the gap between what you earn and what you spend. Protect that gap like your life depends on it, because financially, it does. Fourth, invest consistently, no matter how small. Most people wait until they have enough money to start investing. That day never comes. The secret is to start small and start now. Let's do the math. Watch this closely. Say you invest just $5 every single day. That's $150 a month. That's $1,800 a year. Now invest that into an index fund that grows at 10% per year on average. After 10 years, you have about $31,000. After 20 years, over $114,000. After 30 years, almost $340,000. From $5 a day. That's the power of compound interest. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. Now compare two people. Let's call them Alex and Sam. Alex earns $80,000 a year, spends $78,000, invests $2,000. Sam earns $50,000 a year, spends $35,000, invests $15,000. In 20 years, who is richer? Sam. By a lot. Because Sam invested the gap. A smaller salary, spent wisely, beats a big salary spent carelessly. Every single time. Think about this for a second. The richest people in the world, most of them don't earn salaries. Elon Musk doesn't get a paycheck that makes him rich. His ownership stake in his companies does. Now here's the real question. What do you own? You don't need to start a billion-dollar company. You just need to start owning. Even tiny pieces of great companies. Through index funds, through stocks, through real estate, through side income. And here's what most people get wrong about discipline. They think wealth is about willpower, about saying no every day. It's not. It's about building automatic systems. Set up an automatic transfer the day your paycheck arrives. Move a percentage straight into investments before you can even see it. Out of sight, out of mind, into wealth. Most people ask, how can I make more money this month? The better question is, how can I need less of other people's money forever? That shift in thinking is where freedom starts. So let me leave you with this. Your salary is a starting point, not a destination. It gives you the fuel, but the fuel alone won't get you anywhere. You have to point it in the right direction. So invest early. Invest automatically. Live below your means. Build assets. Protect the gap. And stop spending to impress people who don't care. Real wealth is quiet. It doesn't show off. It just grows. And one day, you wake up and realize you don't have to work anymore. Not because you're rich, but because your money works harder than you do. That's freedom. And it's available to anyone if you start today.